It's just a little over a month before the April 17th tax filing deadline. If you're one of those people who haven't gotten on it yet, it's not too late to cut your tax prep bill or even reduce your risk of an audit. Kelli Grant, senior consumer reporter for smartmoney.com, joins us to explain more. Kelli, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, you say hunt for discounts. Where are they?
You'll find these pretty much everywhere, and once you want to look for these once you're finished preparing your returning, once you're getting ready to file. I saw online Citibank, if you go into your account statements, they're offering links to up to 35% off TurboTax. Other banks are emailing their customers with some of these special coupon links, and then of course there are sites like couponshack.com, and they have whole sections for tax prep discounts, and you can save up to 50% off with a coupon code.
And you can run into some discrete fees, some hidden fees. Where are they?
Be really careful about that this year. We're starting to see some states are actually instituting a fee if you prepare your return online or using some software and then you mail it in. They really want the mailed returns to be those that you're handwriting in New York, for example. If you do that, then you're going to face a $20 fee. You also want to be very careful to not pay your tax bill by credit card. If that's something that you owed money, send them a check instead. If you pay by credit card, you're subject to a fee of about 3% for processing that charge.
And you may be able to file for free?
Yes, there are certain people who can file for free. If you make less than $57,000, then that's something that the government will allow you to do. They have a whole program set up at irs.gov. And by their estimates, by the way, just the number of people who fit that criteria, they say it's about 70% of taxpayers. So definitely worth looking into.
So for someone that was maybe unemployed for a little while in 2011, is there some relief that's available?
There is. The IRS has a new extended program. So if you were unemployed for 30 consecutive days or longer in 2011, then you have until October 15th to pay any taxes that you owe instead of owing them April 17th like the rest of us. But to qualify, you will need to make less than $100,000 if you're single, less than $200,000 if you're married, and you will need to file an extra form that is the 1127A form. So hunt that down online and make sure you qualify.
Big changes in a form from year to year raise big red flags to maybe an auditor. How do you get around that?
They do. If your tax situation is pretty different this year than last, the big one, of course, is if you have markedly different deductions, charitable donations, things of that sort, you want to make sure that you're explaining to the IRS why that's different. You can have your tax preparer include a note, or you can add one in the margins yourself, just so that they have some sort of an explanation and they don't automatically look at that and think you're trying to hide something. Good example would be if you had a family member who, say they passed away 2 years ago, and you're just now getting around to cleaning out their closets and donating everything. Pretty common situation, but that's something that easily explainable and really will help you avoid an audit.
All right, great advice. Now I just actually have to do it. That's the next step. Yes,
Filing your
yes.
taxes.
I haven't done it yet. I'm on it. Kelli Grant from smartmoney.com. Kelli, thank you so much.
Thank you.